OUST was trending at some point. Today, the 16th of December 2025, pre market session. So far in this pre market session, not a lot of shares have crossed the tape. It's quite a high beta stock. Volatility is expected to increase in the coming days. Underlying trend is strongly bullish. The stock has been contracting the expansion that it started to build from the spring of last of this year, and yeah, it peaked on the 27th of October. Since then, the stock has been, well, as a matter of fact, not it's not actually. Well, I can say maybe it is just contracting the most recent expansion, not this one. What you can see overall, it's still contracting the expansion that ended on the 27th of October. The 40-day moving average has served as a strong, as a staunch resistance, and it's expected to continue to do so early next year. It's expected to do so as well. That moving average, as you can see, the extrapolation is saying that it may continue to decline with the price itself going all the way towards the 27th of January, and yeah, it may prove a ceiling to any attempt to bounce. Yeah, so lower prices are expected to keep printing up till at least the 22nd, where he might get a respite, in the form of a bid, in the form of a bounce. But yeah, it may not go through. Projections are currently saying, beginning from the list, 17.73, 20.99. Upper projections, 30.73, 35.39, 38.28. Momentum is expected to continue to decline, going all the way towards the end of next month. Okay, so let's just quickly glance at its 4 hour chart to see what we have there. The 4 hour chart here, it is indicating that a bounce might kick in, at least up till tomorrow. Tomorrow, the close of tomorrow's trading session. Then after that, a brief, well, some consolidation up till the 23rd. Then a break above its 40 period moving average that is also declining to compress any expansion that might be building up right now. Okay, so momentum is equally expected to remain, well, at least sedate. Yeah, quite sedate. Rock. Okay, continue. Expected to continue to decline up to midday today, the 16th. It might get a bit strong towards the 19th, Friday the 19th. Okay. Well, afterward, as a matter of fact, all the way towards the 22nd of December, Monday the 22nd. Then after that, it might begin to decline. So projections on this 4 hour chart is saying 23.34. It's currently trading at 22.09. Yeah. It was trending at some point. Let's see whether we can get the sentiment around everything.
Ouster, OUST, is gaining traction across investor communities following the bankruptcy of a major competitor, Luminar, LAZR, which has reignited conversations around market consolidation in the LiDAR space. Many investors see this as a pivotal moment for the industry, where weaker players are being flushed out and well capitalized survivors stand to gain. In that context, Ouster's strong cash position and improving balance sheet are being highlighted as key strategic advantages, giving the company flexibility to weather near term turbulence and potentially capitalize on displaced customers, contracts, and talent. The situation has also fueled speculation that Ouster could benefit from accelerating customer migration as OEMs and industrial clients look for stable, long term LiDAR suppliers. Some community members are even floating the idea of selective asset acquisitions, such as IP, customer relationships, or manufacturing capabilities, at distressed valuations, though others caution that management may remain disciplined and prioritize organic growth. Adding to the buzz is renewed attention on Tesla's robotaxi testing, which has brought autonomous driving back into the spotlight. While Tesla's LiDAR stance remains debated, investors note that broader validation of autonomy tends to lift the entire ecosystem, including sensor providers like Ouster. This has reinforced the narrative that LiDAR adoption may resume momentum across non automotive applications, even if passenger vehicles remain a longer term opportunity. A major point of differentiation frequently cited in discussions is Ouster's diversified revenue base. Unlike peers that were heavily dependent on automotive programs, Ouster generates meaningful revenue from industrial automation, robotics, smart infrastructure, and logistics, which many see as providing a natural buffer against sector specific volatility. This diversification is viewed as a stabilizing force, particularly during periods of macro uncertainty or uneven adoption cycles. Finally, speculation is building around potential new product launches, software upgrades, or expanded AI enabled perception offerings that could further improve margins and competitiveness. Combined with consolidation dynamics and improving fundamentals, many investors believe Ouster is increasingly positioned as a survivor and potential consolidator in a maturing LiDAR market, even as debates continue around valuation, execution risk, and near term stock volatility.
Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.